In the future, my end goal is to become a therapist, become someone that can connect with people. My name is Alexandra. I graduated with my bachelor's in psychology with a minor in criminal justice. This school has just in general a great psychology program, and I really like how homey it was. That was really something that attracted me because I came here as an athlete trying to connect with the team here. So I really enjoyed just seeing like how the campus was and how lively it was, even though it's a small town, and that like the classes are smaller and you're able to like ask questions and the professors know you like firsthand, and they'll reach out to you, you reach out to them, like that relationship is built. So I really enjoyed seeing that. I came into it unsure like how I'd feel about like doing an actual job. Obviously the plus is, getting paid for it, but I think even more than just that, you got the actual experience. I got to be with clients. At first I was like, I wasn't sure if like I'd actually meet clients and if I actually would witness that, but I got to meet with them one-on-one myself. You can't get that experience without this internship. Now I see what I was learning in classes in real life. And so now that I'm still continuing to work in this job, I feel like even more confident about what I'm doing. The acknowledgement. The clients understand the work that you do and understand your help and your role in their treatment. I've had many instances where clients will be really appreciative of what you do. Hearing those moments of like, I really appreciate the things you do for me, and like seeing them grow as clients too, like just seeing that firsthand and also feeling that from them and them feel confident in themselves, it's the best part of this job. You gain so much knowledge in all these classes tailored to different areas of psychology and different areas of the field itself. So even without doing the co-op and without working, I was able to learn so much and like gain that experience, like just knowledge-wise. So that way when I was coming into this co-op, I knew what I was doing. I'm gonna do my graduate program, so I'm excited to see how that blends together and how the basic foundations that I've learned will grow into even more knowledge and more experience for what I can do. The advice I'd give is to not be afraid to ask all the questions you can. Any question's a good question. I was always scared to ask questions, and I think now that I'm not, I think it's helped me more. Get connected with people around you. They're going through the same things, and they also are curious about the school and they're learning too. So if you can have the opportunity to connect with other people. Currently, I'm going to start my graduate program, so I'm actually really excited for that. I'm excited to learn a lot more, especially in a graduate program. It's more tailored and specific, so I'm really excited. I just love learning. In the future, obviously, my end goal is to become a therapist, become someone that can connect with people. I do like my job now. I work as a case manager, and I really love it right now. Seeing myself grow into the therapy role is something that I'm really excited for.